Hello, welcome back to It's a Box. Today we'll be opening up another Mega Evolution Phantasmal Flame. This one is an Elite Trainer box, ages 6 and older. I could have guessed. Let me open this one up. Alrighty. Alright, cut it from the side. Let me zoom out for you guys a little bit. Alrighty. Alrighty. Now let's see what we got in here. Whew, it's a cool way to slide. Got a little book. Gives us some Pokemon. You guys can read this if you guys like. I don't feel like reading it because that's a lot of words. Mega Sharpedo, Mega Lupabunny. And then a nice picture. That's cool. More of these. I think this is mostly just telling us what's in the box. So I'm going to be surprised of what we get. But I haven't really read it, and I'm not exactly looking at these ones. So just to get perspective. Now that we're done with that, put that back there. Now look at that shiny. That is so cool. The rainbow, the outline of that. The Charizard. Let's take the box off. Let's see what we get. Whew. I have to slide it out like this. Let's see. We got a nice coin. Charizard coin. Put that one off to the side. We got some nice sleeves. Need some more of these, and be honest. Don't have enough. Put those ones off to the side for when we collect more. We have a nice Charcadet. I'm so sorry if I butcher these ones. This is almost like my first rodeo on all this unboxing stuff. Let's see. Charcadet, and then a bunch of sleeve dividers. Oh, wow, that is cool, though. Nice rainbow shine to it. I think these are all of our energy cards. Alrighty, let's see. Fire, steel, just some energy cards that are in here. Cool designs on them, though. Now that we got those, we got some dice. Here, I'm not going to open these because I don't really need to. Now, finally, for these guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 of these cards that we're going to be opening. Let's see what we get. Take these, flip them over, take this card out. Got a Darumka. Let me take a good look at these ones. Odish, Ghastly, what is that? Cressilla. Got a Hunter. Lodux. I'm so sorry if I butcher these names again. Trader card, Trainer card, and this guy, an energy card. Okay, and now for our second. This will be our second out of the 9. Take you out. Flip you around. We got a Ghastly, Nimble, Floswin, Bolton, Scizor, Trainer card, Fire Breather. Surledge, I don't really know how to say that. Charmander, Trainer, Volplume, Energy card. Righty. Now this is our third pack. I'll stop talking for the rest of these so you can just watch it go by. You guys can just hear the sweet sound of my fans going. Whew, we got a Rotom EX card, as it was shown in the book. It's very nice, very nice. Put that one in a sleeve, and we got an energy card. Pull out my sleeves. Wow, I just got these and I don't know how to open them. There we go. Open them just like that. There we go. Much better. Now for these guys. Flip it around. Place you here. Got a Absolon. And a basic energy card. Now I think this one is our fourth pack. I want to say 1, 2. No, this is our fifth one of today. Ooh, we got a Mega Deontay. Oh, I'm butchering his name so much. EX card. Put that one in the sleeve. We got a basic energy card. Pretty cool. Grab a sleeve. Put this in. Accidentally knocking over my cards while we're at it. It is a nice card. Wow. Whew. Righty. Next one. Can't tell if it has a shine to it. It does have a shine to it. Keep it. Keep. And energy card. This one should be our 7th one. Let me know if you guys like me talking through these ones. I know I kind of like just say random words. But I have no idea how you guys have on your view. Our Bullpup. Scrow. Energy card. This is our 8th one. And this is our final one, our 9th pack to open. We have this Palm. energy card. And that is all we have. We have collected the Mega Deontay EX and the Rotom EX. That'll be perfect. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Adios.